Hello everybody and welcome to a new MA Tips. You remember the recipes? This time we will have a look at the recipes to help us to transfer a look from one fixture selection to another one. Let's create a simple color preset including a recipe. So we go to an empty preset object, we go to the edit options and we add a new recipe line in here. We choose a group of fixtures. This time we choose the allures in our grid and we want to bring them to the red preset. So we choose a color preset, which is our red, and we combine it with some matrix settings. So we want to have a fade time of 0.5 seconds, for example. We want to have a delay from the left to the right. So starting at 0 seconds delay up to a delay of 2 seconds, for example. And because it's so nice, we want to combine it with 2 wings. So we set 2 X-wings in here and our recipe is ready. Closing this editor, we can bring the allure grid to full and we call the preset and you can see the color comes in from the left and the right. So 2 wings with a fade time and a delay time. But now we want to use exactly the same look for a different fixture selection, so maybe for our LED bars on the floor. That's pretty easy using the recipes. So we clear our programmer, we go to the edit options of this color preset again, and we simply change the group here. So we choose the LEDs on the floor, and we close the editor again. Now we select the LED floor group, we bring them to full as well, and we select the color preset. And you can see the color comes in from the left to the right, exactly with the same fade and delay time we choose for the allure group before. That's one of the benefits of the recipes, so we can just program a look. We don't have to remember the ingredients because the recipe does it for us and we can change the groups or we can also add some groups. So what if we want to do this for the allures and the LEDs on the floor? That's pretty easy. We go to the edit options and we add a second recipe line here. This time with the allure grid again as a group. We want to have the same color preset, so they should go to the red. We want to have the same fade time, so 0.5 seconds, the delay of 0 to 2 seconds, and we choose the matrix settings of wings 2. We close the editor, we clear our programmer, we select the LEDs on the floor and also the allure grids, we bring them to full and we choose the color preset. And you can see everything comes in with the color from the left and the right with the fade time and the delay time. So we don't have to remember the ingredients. The recipes take care of transferring a look from one fixture selection to another fixture selection. I hope this was helpful for you. Try this out and see you next time for the MA Tips.